Hey everyone. So if you haven't heard, I was fortunate enough to be the HMF Star of 2012. And first and foremost, I'd just like to thank Asian Live for the opportunity, and especially thank you guys, the fans, for all of your support, and you guys just voting for me and voting for my video. And as the HMF Star of 2012, I just feel honored and privileged to be able to go down to the festival this year and experience and meet all these new people and create these new friendships and networks that I would have not experienced without HMF. So as the HMF winner, my flight and my trip has been covered by HMF, and so I'll definitely be there Memorial Weekend on May 26th, so see you guys there for sure. As of right now, I envision HMF to be almost like Moniers, but more geared towards the music and the festivities and the activities. And I have the privilege of performing a song there, and I just feel that it'll be different from all of my other performances because it'll be on such a big stage and for so many people. So that's going to be very interesting and very fun, I hope. So again, thank you HMF for this opportunity, and I hope to see everyone there at HMF 2012. Bye.